Welcome. In this short video, you'll learn what a Gantt chart is and how quick Gantt chart can help you plan and manage your projects. A Gantt chart is a visual project management tool that displays tasks along a timeline. It helps you understand what needs to be done, when it starts and ends, and how different tasks are connected. Quick Gantt Chart is a lightweight, interactive app for creating Gantt charts quickly and efficiently. It supports tasks, milestones, dependencies, resource planning, auto-scheduling with critical path, and much more, all in one intuitive interface. You can drag and resize tasks, link them with connectors, and the schedule updates automatically. The Gantt chart view in Quick Gantt Chart consists of two areas. The tree, which shows a list of tasks organized in a hierarchy. And the chart, which displays the timeline, task bars, progress, and dependencies. In Quick Gantt Chart, you work with four basic elements. A task is a piece of work with a start date, end date, and duration. A milestone marks a key event or deadline, it has no duration. A summary task groups related tasks and helps organize the project into phases. A dependency defines the relationship between tasks. It shows which tasks must finish before others can start. In this example, we use finish to start dependencies, meaning one task must finish before the next can begin. In the next videos, we'll show you how to build a chart from scratch and explore advanced features.